What are you going to discuss? Not the discussing. Now I am going to provide you some revision task. You must be sincere and attentive. It's not easy task like eating food. Eating food is also difficult. You have to prepare. Okay. Now at first, what is our syllabus? Syllabus for this third week? Three chapters. What are they? Atomic structure and chemical bond. Next one, chemical reaction. Next one, some gases. Three are there, right? Three chapters. Everything must be revised time and again. I don't want to see anybody failing, and I don't want to see anybody copying from others. I've noticed some of the students, what do they do? During exam time also they will ask others and just get help. And the first one has done mistake, and second also will do same mistake, because the second doesn't know what is the right, what is wrong. And first has guessed it. That's why no guessing. Confirm. There must be full-fledged confirmation and presentation. Okay, children. So this is the chapter atomic structure and chemical bond. MCQ. It's your classwork. Everything. Mark it. This time I am providing you MCQ from book. What are here? From their question will ask. Understood or not? If you practice, it will be quite easy. How many MCQs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Mark it, please. Because today and tomorrow there is revision. Friday, enjoyment. Saturday, relaxation. And practice from Sunday, examination. And we cannot revise on Sunday because there is test. Yes or no? Did you mark it? So, at first, today, in this period, what you are going to do, you are going to practice this MCQ from three chapters. MCQ from atomic structure and chemical bond, there are 7. MCQ from next chapter, chemical reaction, here are only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? Right? 4. And next one, MCQ from some gases. How many are there? How many MCQs are there? 8 are there? 8. 8 means this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Got it? Okay. 10 are there? H. In this book, 8, 9, 10. Yes, right. 9, 10. So these MCQ you need to practice, revise and memorize everything. Okay. And I told you this time I am not going to ask you very short questions and short questions. There will be long questions. Understood or not? Long questions also you have to practice. Now some long questions I will give you right now from this chapter, atomic structure and chemical bond. Atomic structure and chemical bond. Okay. Differentiate between electrovalent compound and covalent compound. Right the heading. Differentiate between electrovalent compound and covalent compound. Molecular formula of some compounds by crisscross method. Molecular formula of some compounds by crisscross method. The next thing, practice these all bonds, electrovalent bond and covalent bond. So you can practice from this book also. What is given example, and you have to practice this also. What to practice? This one. This one. MgCl2. I will tell you what is there. MgCl2. Here is electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. H2S. covalent bond. NH3 covalent bond. MgO electrovalent bond. If electrovalent bond, you need to draw 2 times. At first atom, next time ion. But if covalent, only 1 time you have to share. Na2S electrovalent bond. So what is E also is very interesting one. Dollar is being here. What is this E? Dollar. And AlCl3 also electrovalent bond. Yeah. In this period, if you are able to practice this, it's okay. Next period, I will guide you. Out of these 6, here is not 7 number, 6 only. Which one should I guide? Choose any one, I will guide you. Electrovalent or covalent? What is your opinion? Which one should I guide? Tell. Choose any one.
Covalent, sir.
No, which one should I guide?
NH3.
NH3 should I guide? Okay, NH3. So, this video you recorded, if any doubt, you can again check it. Now we have got system. We have fully digitalized. You asked me NH3, NH3. NH3. I think this is a bit. NH3. Okay, children. You find out nitrogen is metal or non-metal. If the first one is non-metal, there is covalent bond. What is there? Covalent bond. Now remember, nitrogen means what is the electronic configuration? Hydrogen, what is the electronic configuration? Nitrogen 2 and 5. In first orbit, how many electrons are there? 2. Hydrogen only 1. Right? Here nitrogen 2, 5, hydrogen 1. 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen means which atom lies at the center? Nitrogen. Right here nitrogen. How many protons are there? 7 protons. How many neutrons are there? 7 neutrons. Finish? You want to do with full atom or only sharing? What do you want? Like I have just shown both. Sharing will be easy, eh? Sharing means in first orbit we are not showing now. We just draw like this. In how many ways, in how many places there should be hydrogen? 3 places. 1 hydrogen you do here. The atomic structure of hydrogen is small, that's why I have drawn like this. Next side here is hydrogen. Next side here is hydrogen. Bigger is nitrogen, smaller is hydrogen. Now, hydrogen means there is 1 proton, 1 proton, 1 proton. Done? Okay, children, now look at here. In hydrogen, how many electrons are there? Hydrogen, 1 electron. So, here is 1 electron of hydrogen. Here is 1 electron of hydrogen. Here is 1 electron of hydrogen. What have we done? We have drawn bigger atom, nitrogen, Fouché atoms, hydrogen, and these are the electrons of hydrogen. If hydrogen is contributing 1 electron, nitrogen also must contribute 1, right? If so, this is the electron of nitrogen, electron of nitrogen, electron of nitrogen, right? In nitrogen, how many valence electrons are there? 5. 1, 2, 3 done, right? 1 more 4, 1 more 5. Is it okay? Now let's check. How many electrons are there in hydrogen? 1, 2. Duplet. 1, 2. Duplet. 1, 2. Duplet. Is it in duplet? Sure. Right. Now nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In which state? Octet. If so, we can write like this. Nitrogen here. Hydrogen, hydrogen. This is covalent bond which exists between nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia. Is it okay? All right. Now one more bond you can ask me to guide that covalent, electrovalent. Which one you want? Choose. From the book. It's given there, no? Did you complete it?
Good.
It's quite easy. Just remember the number of proton, electron, and how many they can be shared. Which one should I guide? Hello? MgO. Okay, MgO. MgO. Magnesium is metal or non-metal? Magnesium is metal or non-metal? Metal. If so, which bond is here? Electrovalent bond. Electrovalent is a bit complicated, right? That Lewis structure is easy, but you are doing much more mistake. That's why I am not guiding that. I will guide this one only. Otherwise, you are writing tuk like this. Huh? My goodness. MgO. MgO means, now look at it. How many protons are there in magnesium? Neutrons? How many? 12 proton, 12 neutron. Finish? First orbit. First orbit, how many electrons are there? 2. Out of 12, 2 gone. How many electrons left? 8. 12 minus 2 is 8. Confusion. There were 12 electron, 2 electron decreasement 10. Right? Now another orbit. How many there will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still how many electrons are left? 2 are left. Next orbit. Once you understand this, then only 1, 2. Is it okay? Yes or no? Plus. Oxygen. What is the electronic configuration of oxygen? 2, 6. Yes or no? In first orbit, 2 electrons, second orbit, 6. So, how many protons and how many neutrons are there? 8 proton, 8 neutron. Right? First orbit, how many electrons are there? 2. Second orbit, 1, here 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. For magnesium, these 2 electrons are headache. More. For oxygen, how many electrons are needed? 2. That's why oxygen says, magnesium G, give me the 2 electrons. Yes or no? And magnesium also becomes happy. Then what will happen? This 1 electron is donated to. This is also donated to. Right? Now, what will happen now? This Mg becomes what? Positively charged. In first orbit, how many electrons are there? 1, 2. Second orbit, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Will there be third orbit? No, because electrons are donated. Gojirito, right? Now, oxygen. Oxygen, what to do?
O minus.
O minus minus. O minus minus. Why O minus minus? Electrons are more. Then, first orbit, how many are there? 1, 2. Second orbit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this is MgO molecule. Is it okay? Try this again and again. Then you can understand and do. Okay. Right now, what have I given you? Some. Means all MCQs, differences between, and these covalent bond and electrovalent bond. From book as well as exercise. Okay? Start doing your work now.